Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to Haniela's. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really delicious and easy peach streusel slab bread. I love making slab breads with seasonal fruits. You can use strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, apricots, plums. Today we're going to be using peaches, but first let's make the yeast dough. Add a pinch of sugar to warm milk, then add dry yeast. I'm also going to add flour. We're gonna whisk it all together and then we're gonna set it aside for about 5 minutes until foamy and puffy on the top. Make sure that you are using warm milk. Hot milk will kill the yeast. Into the flour add salt, granulated sugar, melted and cooled butter, egg yolks and vanilla extract. Combine all the ingredients together. And I'm going to knead it on low speed using a hook attachment for about 7 to 10 minutes, depending on the mixer you're using, basically until the dough pulls away from the sides of the bowl. Then we're going to dump the dough onto a clean work surface dusted with some flour, and I'm just going to give it a quick knead for about 30 seconds, and then I'm going to cover it with a kitchen towel for about 10 minutes. While that's resting, we can prepare our baking sheet. Spray it with nonstick spray, line it with parchment and set that aside. To make the streusel, press butter into flour sugar mixture until you have a coarse texture like so, and then you can set that aside. I'm using local peaches from a local orchard, and I'm going to first, obviously you have to wash the peaches well, then remove the pit and slice them into about 1/4 inch thick or so. I'm going to season the peaches with lemon juice, sugar, cinnamon, and I'm also going to add some starch. I'm using cornstarch today. I'm using raw sugar, but if you don't have raw sugar, you can use brown sugar instead. Depending on the fruit you decide to use, you may want to skip the cinnamon. Cinnamon doesn't go well with all the fruits, but I think it does go well with peaches and apricots really well, or apples. Roll out the dough. 10 minutes should be enough for the dough to be more relaxed, so it should be rather easy to roll out. Use your fingers to spread it into the corners. And now we're going to layer fruit. Dust it with more raw sugar or use brown sugar, and then generously sprinkle on streusel topping. I love streusel topping. It could be all covered in streusel topping. I wouldn't say no to that. We're gonna let it rise for about 45 to 60 minutes, and then I'm going to bake it at 350 degrees of Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. Let it cool slightly, and then you can slide it out of the pan and cut it into bars. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. You can find a full recipe with the printable card and all the tools that you need on my blog. Link is posted in the description box under the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.